This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Robert Keller. Excellent value for this 2-bedroom plus DE&, 2-bath/2-car twin villa home that enjoys tranquil lake view. Very popular open floor plan that offers ample living areas. Many newer items which includes refurbished kitchen in last year. New quartz counters, refaced cabinets, new stainless steel appliances and new sink/faucet. Home interior repainted. New carpeting in bedrooms and amp, den with tile in main living areas. Newer washer and amp, dryer. Newer lighting fixtures and amp, ceiling fans. This home has a bundled social membership included. Colonial CC offers 18 holes of championship golf, remodeled clubhouse with bar and amp, dining, fitness center, community pool, tennis, pickleball, bocce, miles of walking trails around/through preserve and more. This community benefits from a convenient location, high-quality amenities and a moderate fee structure. You will be impressed. For more information, review the details below.